Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Do you want to replace the audio system in your car but your budget is limited? You're in luck if so. The greatest car subwoofers of 2023 that provide excellent sound quality without breaking the budget have been identified through extensive research. Learn more about the top affordable vehicle subwoofers of 2023 by watching on. On number 1, we have Boss Audio Systems BAB8 Subwoofer. If you want robust sound, the Boss Audio Systems BAB8 Subwoofer is a great affordable option. This 8-inch subwoofer has a peak power output of 800 watts. With a maximum mounting depth of about 8 inches, it can be easily installed in almost any vehicle thanks to its thin design. This subwoofer can withstand the jolts and vibrations that come with driving thanks to its robust design. It may be connected to practically any amplifier because of its single 2.6 ohms impedance. The Boss Audio Systems subwoofer is an excellent option for anyone on a tight budget. It offers many of customizing options while still packing a punch at a reasonable price. This subwoofer will meet all of your needs, whether you want crisp sound for your daily commute or deep bass for your weekend jam sessions. On number 2, we have Recoil SL1708 8-inches subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer is a great option if you're searching for an economical and potent car subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer has a 2-ohm voice coil that enables it to withstand peak power of up to 600 watts. Its low profile makes it easy to install in almost any car, and its 100 Hz frequency response range makes it perfect for giving your sound system more depth. The recoil also has a premium composite cone built, which ensures a sound that has no sign of distortion and is clean and crisp. And its lightweight and small design makes it simple to install. Likewise, it has a bass boost feature that is built in to assist you get more from your sound system. Overall, updating your car's audio system with the Recoil 8-inch subwoofer is a great way to save money. It can help you get the most from your music while keeping the prices down thanks to its power handling capabilities and frequency response range. Any car audio fan will find it to be a great choice due to its sturdy design and simple installation. On number 3, we have Yaeccc 10-inches 600W subwoofer. The Yaeccc 10-inch 600W subwoofer is a great option for vehicle audio fans on a tight budget. This subwoofer, which has a 10-inch woofer and a maximum power output of 600 watts, provides excellent sound quality and dependable performance at a reasonable cost. It is the best option for improving your factory system because of the powerful mid-range and deep bass response that are sure to surprise any listener. The Yaeccc also has a number of inputs, including RCA and speaker level, as well as a crossover that can be adjusted to suit your preferences. Your audio investment will survive for years to come thanks to the housing's use of premium parts and materials that optimize sound quality. The Yaeccc 10-inches 600W subwoofer ought to be at the top of your selection if you want outstanding sound on a tight budget. On number 4, we have Boss CXX8-inch subwoofer. Anyone looking for a premium, cost-effective subwoofer choice should consider the Boss CXX8-inch subwoofer. This subwoofer delivers you enough punch to make your car audio system rock with a power rating of 600 watts peak. You may enjoy all of your favorite songs in all their glorious detail thanks to its 8-inch polypropylene cone, which is designed to deliver deep bass and accurate sound quality. You may customize the sound for your car with the CXX8's low-pass filter and phase control, which are also included. Furthermore, installation is a snap thanks to the mounting hardware that is included, allowing you to rapidly start using your audio system. The Boss CXX8 is a fantastic alternative if you're searching for a cost-effective solution to improve your car's audio system. So these are some of the best budget car subwoofers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.